Hello friends, this is Krishna and today I'm here to discuss about English language. It's belonging to England, it's people, it's communication, it's culture. So English is just a language only. As you know very well, English language is becoming very important language because it's an international language and according to new education policies they have said that you can learn anything in your native language, in your local language, in your local dialects, but we need to understand that English is becoming very important language. So we need to understand what kind of method and mechanism we can adopt and we can learn easily. Okay, but I want to let you know that everything takes time, you know very well, it's not new for you. So you have to understand that when things take time then you'll have to work on that. So I'm many persons have said that if you want to be a master on something, if you wanna be a master in particular area, then you'll have to spend 1000 hour. Yeah, right, 1000 hour. It's mean you'll have to work for 1000 hour to be master on that. So there are a lot of method and a mechanism you can adopt, you can apply into your speaking, and you can apply into your life. So it will become your part of speaking. Nothing to learn much, nothing to work a lot, but there are a certain kind of things. Why I'm saying this, because in coming days we are going to ask only about English communication, because each persons are just meeting and they are thinking that what kind of language he can speak or she can speak. But we want to discuss and we want to spread our message, we want to make reach our words to that particular person. So we need only one language, that is English language. I'm not in favor of language, I'm not against of any language, but it's very important. Please try to understand that today it's not to show smartness, it's just to communicate. Because sometimes I meet to Bengali person, and sometimes I meet to Rajasthani people, but they use their local languages, but I can't communicate with them. It's making a gap between communications of two person. So that's why I'm here to tell you that please work on English language. If you get difficulties, please let me know. And if you are thinking that it's very difficult for you, no, it's very easy. It's very easy, but you'll have to walk on that street where it to be needed. Okay, so let me know if you are really interested. I do run an online class that is unknowledgeable, but it's not for all kind of persons. But if you really want to learn, then I will shoot video for you so that I can reach to all of you, because you can't reach to me, because we don't have much time to to meet each other. So that's why this video I'm going to prepare and I'm going to post on my YouTube channel. So please understand and let me know if you are really interested to learn English language. And further things I will elaborate in my next video. Till then, please keep commenting and keep practicing. Keep texting to me. I will give you my WhatsApp number in comment section. And please learn and think about it and let me know. Okay, bye bye. I will further things will be elaborated in my next video. Bye bye.